There are various numbers out there in the market about the number of mobile internet users, and each operator has a view on it. As Google, we are in the most neutral position to be able to view mobile internet usage in the country, because we see unique searches on Google. This is people logging on to m.google.com or logging onto their mobile app and searching for information. Staggering growth in the last 12 months. All expectations, all growth expectations were completely blown apart by the kind of numbers that we're seeing. AdMob displays across. AdMob is a product now, company used to be, which displays ads across mobile sites and applications. In the last 12 months alone, we've seen a 526% growth in mobile internet traffic on our platform. The traffic now, we actually display over 4.1 billion ads on the mobile internet every month. That's the kind of staggering number that we're talking about. And this is purely the mobile internet. This is not a consumer using a USB data card or a Tata Photon Plus and logging on to a full internet website. This is the mobile internet, because we display ads only across mobile sites and applications. The interesting aspect in this is the growth of newer platforms like Android. We display about 150 million plus ads across iPhone and Android put together at this point in time on a monthly basis already. That's the kind of growth that we're already seeing in usage. Bound to be. You can now walk up to the store and buy an Android handset for sub 10,000 rupee levels or 12, 13K levels. Great experience, and the kind of possibilities on those handsets are completely different from what used to be in the earlier kind of handsets. I'll show you a few more examples about the kind of possibilities in those handsets. So where are we headed? What's the path? What route are we going to take from here? The challenge for the marketer is he needs to be where the consumer is, right? Your consumer has moved on. Your consumer is no longer stuck in one place. He's accessing content on the go. He's searching for information on the go. And you need to be where he is. This is a realization that needs to hit every marketer. It is a steep learning curve, but someone's got to do it. You need to be where the consumer is. If consumers are searching on the go, you need to be present at that point of time and connecting at that point of time. Consumers are researching or reading content on the go, you need to be present at that point of time, connecting in pretty cool, innovative fashion. The app experience is completely out of the world. Consumers are now logging on to content straight away from applications. We see huge amount of searches starting from the Google mobile apps, in addition to the kind of search that happens from the mobile app property that we have. Marketers need to realize this. Marketers need to realize that we need to be present at that point of time and create a wow experience. I'm going to try and show you some examples of the kind of opportunities that marketers can explore going forward to connect with the mobile web consumer. So what are we talking about? In terms of targeted marketing capabilities, when the internet actually was born and we spoke about it with marketers, we always spoke about targeted marketing capabilities and the kind of precision targeting that's possible on the internet. The mobile internet takes it one notch further because it adds a few more layers of possibilities. For example, you can actually now target consumers by the kind of operator that they're using, by the kind of handsets that they're using. I can actually display an ad which says there is a mobile application for your handset, and each of you guys will actually feel it's customized to your handset, because it actually pulls out the handset model from your phone and displays it within the ad. So it actually says banking application for your N95. The other person who uses the BlackBerry 8900 would see it as banking application for your BlackBerry 8900. That is precision targeting. That is extreme sharpness. If you look at the other big opportunity, MCommerce is a huge opportunity. The internet, credit card transactions on the internet never really exploded like the way it was expected to explode. In fact, the most basic problems that banks face is activation. Activation at the time of purchase. With operator billing, with the kind of possibilities that it opens up, MCommerce is a real possibility. If you look at the kind of intelligent marketing that these are targeting capabilities, right? If you look at the kind of intelligent marketing that can be layered on this, think about this. You are a telecom carrier. You're doing a new launch of a new product, and you want to be talking to every competing user and be drawing from competition. This is probably your best opportunity, because you're able to filter out the competition, and you're no longer spraying and praying. You're no longer putting up an outdoor hoarding in a high traffic area and hoping that only users of competition see the ad. You're talking about extremely targeted messaging to each bucket of consumers that you want to address.